Welcome, everybody. My name is Colton from Zimtu Capital. Today I'm here with Formation Metals CEO Deepak Varshney. Deepak, thanks for joining me today.
Hey man, thanks for having me.
So Formation Metals is in phase one of the drill program. It's a 30,000-meter drill program, and you've released some exciting news today about the first two holes. So what can you tell us about what you're seeing there?
Hey man, visible gold, right? You're seeing gold, baby. What we're seeing is exactly what we're expecting to see, right? I mean, the VG was a surprise. Like to be clear, the VG was a surprise.
Yeah.
This is, I think, the in the A zone the first time we've ever hit VG, which is wonderful news, right? But we're seeing exactly what we're hoping to see in the core. This thing has had over 55,000 meters drilled historically, right? It's an advanced asset. We have a model that we've built internally. When you're drilling a project like this, you're hoping, you plan out these holes, say, look, I'm expecting to see this when it's, whether it's infill. Look, we're not doing any twinned holes in this program, right? They're all extension, they're all infill. Our goal is to see how far can we push this. We have a 3 to 5 million ounce target. And so, we're seeing exactly what we're expecting to see in terms of the core. And we have a lot more news to come in the next few weeks because the program is in full swing. But the VG is great, right? Because it shows you there's actually room for improvement in the grade of the historical deposit, right? You have these high, in an open pit, which is what we're targeting here. You're going to see higher grade zones, and when you see VG, it goes okay, good. Like a 31-meter interval. It's nice. It's cool. It's fun. Look, man, it's exciting when you drill a program for the first time. You never know what you're going to see. So I'm happy with what
Yeah.
we've got so far.
So you mentioned it a little bit there. You're not twinning holes. These are all infill and step out. So can you tell us a little bit more about the goals of the program this year?
Well, basically, what we want to accomplish here is to confirm that the gold that they found historically is there, because ultimately we do want to produce a resource estimate next year that is our resource estimate, and a key part of that is going to be to validate the historical data because it is a historical estimate. And ultimately, the reason we're not twinning these holes is because there is so much gold found historically. For us, it's easier to go and drill gaps in the model, which would be meaningful. Right? If you've got a 200-meter gap in the old resource, better for us to go drill halfway through to confirm that the gold is there halfway through, strengthen the model, at the same time validate the whole model. And that's really kind of the focus when it comes to infill. And then on the flip side, we want to grow the model, right? So we're doing step outs. Obviously this is just the first phase here, but the idea here is ultimately to miss, right? Because we want to go find the boundaries of this, and they haven't found the boundaries yet, right? Every time they kept drilling, they kept finding gold. And so obviously that's great for us, but at some point we want to go see where is the edge of this deposit so that now we can start, defining that 3 to 5 million ounce resource that we're hoping to accomplish.
Well, it sounds like phase one is going well, and visible gold is always nice to see. So we'll be excited to
Yeah.
see what comes in store. But yeah, thanks for coming on, Deepak.
Awesome, man. Chat soon. Take care.